all throughout the pageant. So we understand that you're nervous. Then who do you want to thank?
Of course, I would like to thank my unit, ORDR. Guys, remember that I'm here because of you.
Guys, thank you. So can you pick one question from the
Insert, no choice. No choice.
You pick question number 2. Question number 2 is, if you were a nurse manager, how will you make a difference in your department? Again, question number 2. If you were a nurse manager, how will you make a difference in your department?
Thank you for the challenging question. If I were the nurse manager of my department, to achieve my department success and to achieve the exceeding success of my department, first of all, I would like to establish a good relationship with my subordinates, because without them, I could not achieve the goal I have for my unit. And there was never an I or a letter